So I tried the Helion heater and here's the honest truth about it. Most ads make it sound like a groundbreaking Swedish invention that instantly warms your whole room and slashes your energy bill, but is that true? The Helion heater is marked as an advanced rapid warming device with cutting-edge tech meant to heat an entire space efficiently while reducing electricity use. What I've found during testing, I looked into real customer experiences and independent findings, and here's what stands out. It is a small plug-in ceramic heater that does emit warm air but only in a very limited area around the device. Despite being big promises, it doesn't heat full rooms and it's essentially the same type of heater sold cheaply under many different brand names. Ads often use flashy marketing, fake endorsement, timers and exaggerated claims to push urgency. Helion heater makes nearby air feel warm if you're sitting right in front of it. It's compact and easy to use. But it doesn't heat medium or large room effectively. The energy savings claims are exaggerated. Shipping delays and returns can be problematic for dropship versions. Simple plug-and-play device works okay as a small personal heater or a desk space. But the red flags are marketing overstates capabilities, likely identical to generic version available for a fraction of the price. Limited heating range means it won't replace your existing heating system. The Helion heater is a real product that will deliver limited localized heat, but it falls far short of bold claims in its ads. If you need a tiny personal heater for close range warmth, it's okay, but don't expect it to heat your whole room or cut your bills. You're better off with a reputable heater from a known brand. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.